In this video, I will be showing you how to use Canva text to video. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking on the video category at the top of the templates page. From here, I'll select the option to create a blank landscape video. Once the editor opens, I'll head over to the left sidebar and click on the apps icon. I'll scroll down to find and select Magic Media. Inside the Magic Media panel, I'll click on the Videos tab. Now I'll type a detailed description into the box. I'm asking for a 3D stylized cartoon of a cheerful bear in a chef's hat sitting in a whimsical kitchen with a large bowl of salad. With the prompt finished, I'll click the Generate Video button. It takes a minute or two for the AI to process the request and build the scene. Once the generated video appears, I'll click it to add it to my canvas. To finish up, I click the play button to preview the video generated. And that's all it takes to turn your ideas into high-quality video content using Canva.